The big breaking story at this hour, government sources confirming to NDTV that members of the Taliban visited closed Indian consulates both in Kandahar and Herat, searching for papers. They took away parked vehicles from both embassies. Neeta Sharma joining us with the latest on that story. Neeta, what are we hearing? Why has this been done?
See, Ankita, this was expected. The government obviously knew, and that is why they had closed down their missions, earlier only in Kandahar also, and even in Herat. The last mission to be shut was in Kabul, though the government's official claim is that the Kabul mission is still functioning with the skeletal staff, which are locals. But the issue here is now in Kandahar and Herat, we are also being told, which is being confirmed by the government sources, that not only they came and searched the entire embassy premises. They looked for documents. They took some of the documents also. They seized certain documents also, and some of the vehicles which were standing there in the embassies, they took that also. In fact, even when while the evacuation was done from Kabul also, when the diplomats were flown back, the ITBP personnel were flown back, the armored vehicles they kept locked at the airport premises, like any other agencies who has been evacuating Afghanistan, evacuating Kabul. So that is expected that they will obviously take control. But what is the worrying factor is that door-to-door searches are also being conducted in Herat and in Kandahar to identify even Afghan nationals as to who help various intelligence agencies which have been working, which were working against the interest of Taliban. So that is a worrying factor. But as far as India is concerned, India obviously is focusing more on getting their own citizens back. More than 1,000 people are there who are Indians. But the problem there is, the biggest problem is that not all of them have been, registered with the Indian embassy. To locate them, to identify them would be a big issue. So right now, India is obviously focusing on that. But however, they are keeping a close watch. They are saying that their main aim is that what kind of government is established in Kabul. So India is obviously focusing on that. And as far as Kashmir is concerned, they say that Taliban had never shown interest even in 90s also as to what was unfolding in Kashmir. However, a backhand support to Pakistan has always been there, whether it's Jaish-e-Mohammed, whether it's Harkat-ul-Mujahideen. But India is obviously keeping a close watch, and the first priority for Indian government is to get their own people back, get their own citizens back. Ankita?
Right, Neeta, our colleague Uma Shankar has also been reporting that the Taliban didn't actually want India to vacate its embassy in Kabul, and that's also sort of sources information that would seem to be at odds with what is happening in Herat and Kandahar, where these searches are taking place.
Obviously, they didn't want India to, leave Afghanistan, because they, even Taliban knows that India has been helping them to rebuild their territory. So when, in fact, when the first, in Kabul, when the diplomats were traveling first time, they were turned back by Taliban saying, why are you leaving Afghanistan? Go back and do your normal work. But obviously, the safety and the security of the diplomats was a big issue. Right. And that is why India decided to bring back all those diplomats. But obviously, it's in the interest of Taliban also, because there are many unfinished projects which India has to, complete. But as far as India is also concerned, they are also saying that Afghani should not, worry. India will obviously support them, but for them, right now, the priority is Indians.